Hi, Erin and Emily. Thanks for reaching out to me today about our classes. I thought I'd show you where we're located and give you a tour of the studio, explain a few things about our courses and how it all works. This is the Tropic Square Plaza. That's US 1. There's 6th Street. You'll see the nail salon here. There's a Subway right there. So in this plaza, when you come in, I am right next to Cindy's Pets and Aquarium. So you'll see me right over here. Let's walk inside and I'll show you the studio. All right, so when you come in, this is our reception area where you get to see me check you in, and then once classes start, sometimes we do lock the door. It's not for security reasons or anything other than that. It keeps less distractions and keeps the area contained. And a little bit of security. I used to run security programs for years, and we want to keep everything contained and less distracting for our members. So when you come in, you can sit here in the chairs. Class is being observed. For our members, they're going to put their shoes here on this shelf, and we are going to train on the mat. So there are 2 different class sessions there. We break up by size, age, and ability. So you see there says 10 through 12 and 7 through 9. So the younger kids would be with one instructor here, and the older kids would be using this section of the mat with another coach. This makes scheduling a lot easier. It makes it a lot more productive for our members. Now, we do teach a hybrid kickboxing system. I find it to be more effective over the years of not just teaching self-defense or practical self-defense, but to empower students in a better way than other methods. I came from a background of traditional Tang Soo Do, Muay Kwan. I also do Filipino martial arts and other various grappling systems. So I've incorporated it into our school curriculum, which we call CSD kickboxing. We use these bags here, so we use boxing gloves, and we use some shin protection as well. We start even with the Wave Masters. These are a little easier, even for our adults. And then we work our way up to some heavier bags here. Eventually, when we get into sparring, Emily will start doing some light sparring with mitts and maybe with a coach, and maybe a light spar with one of our more senior students to kind of guide her. Eventually, we do go into the chest protectors. We want to go a little more intense. That takes a little time to get there, though. We got to build confidence and technique and how to evade trouble as well and how to safely get out of trouble. So we have our shields here. So you can see we have a variety of equipment so that our students get that benefit, that cross-training kind of effect. You can see our motivational words here on the wall. I'm in charge of my destiny. This is our main one. Tired doesn't exist. We always believe in the success trains, failure complains philosophy. It's very important to us to be reminded of why we come here. I do teach how to use short sticks. It's a great hand-eye coordination tool, and it also incorporates hand trapping and how to avoid being tackled, and also how to get out of the pocket, say you're being like pummeled by punches and kicks. So that's a big thing for us as well. Let me explain how the trial works, and also we do have an event coming up. Maybe that might be better for you to come check us out, our open house, so I'll send you information about that as well. Okay, so over here, we have our 6-week trial. Okay, you might have seen it on the page. It's a test drive to come in, make sure you like me, like the curriculum, like the studio. Now, at any time during that trial, it's not a main program. That is not our main course. That's just for you to see us, get some equipment, get some uniforms, get used to it, and then if you like it, you can upgrade and enroll into our main program at any time. Okay, so on that trial, you can come as often as you like. You can come every day if you wanted to. Just use the booking app or the website and let me know what days you're coming in. Okay, that's part 1. You're going to get your shirt, and we use a shorts. Actually, we find it to be better to work out in with the martial art we teach. Now, if she prefers like some kind of workout pants, I do have workout pants available, like runners. Okay, I suggest to add the $9.99. The boxing gloves are generally $34 to $40, depending on the size. But online, if you do it with a trial, it's only $10 or less than $10. And it's worth it because you're going to use it on everything over here. You're going to hit things. You're going to beat things up. And if you buy them later, I got to charge you the full price. So I'd rather give you a break during your trial period. Now, if the trial doesn't work out, let's say you do it, first couple classes, said, no, it's not for me, Master Dave. I totally understand. I'll refund your money 100%, and you can keep everything as my gift to you. Okay, 100% guarantee. That's what I do. That's what I do here in my studio for years. Now, if you do like it, you want to move forward. If you do it at a certain point in your trial, you do get that $69 credited towards your first package. So you can choose between our $109 package to our $149 a month package. And it just includes certain classes, and the $149 is all inclusive, but there's options there. So whatever works for you, you can credit that there, and we'll give you the free gifts and the extra equipment like shin guards and stuff like that, an extra uniform as well. Okay, all included in your first month, and we'll waive registration. So if that works, great. But if you want to come see us, if you want to just give me a call and text me, say, hey, I'm in the area, as long as it's before 4 p.m., be happy to have you come in. But we have an event on the 30th of this month. It's our open house, grand reopening. It's our new location. You can see it's very spacious. That's why we moved in here. Great plaza, too, great neighbors. Well-lit area, nice parking lot. So nice and secure for our members. We're going to be doing that from 11 to 2. I'll send you the info on that. You can RSVP, and I'll be happy to meet with you, talk to Emily, and I'll be happy to talk to you, Emily. You can meet our girls and see our girls doing demonstrations as well. All right, I hope this helps you. If you have any other questions, please reach back out to me.